guys, we're here now sa NAIA Terminal 3. Actually, for today, we're going to Hong Kong. I'm with Mikey. And so, lagpas na kami sa immigration. We're just waiting for the boarding. And we're just currently chilling. So, later, pakita namin sa inyo yung boarding. And we'll also show you pag nasa Hong Kong na kami once we landed. Share ko lang sa inyo, ito yung mga essentials while traveling. Mga fans. Especially pag painitin. Katulad namin ni Mikey. Diba?
Yeah, but medyo lamigin ako. Pero sa area na to medyo mainit.
B. Hi. We're going to Hong Kong. This is my first time and Mikey's ilang beses mo na sa Hong Kong? Third time? Yeah. See you there. Just arrived in Hong Kong.
16, that's belt number 16, the 4 doors to open imminently.
We just landed in Hong Kong. We just arrived sa airport, actually. Yeah, so ngayon, ang gagawin namin, kukuha kami ng Octopus card kasi it's widely used here sa Hong Kong. You can use it as payments for transpo. So that's what we'll do. And then, we're not going to get yung SIM card kasi meron na eh. Nag-roaming na si Mikey. So, yep. Octopus card na lang. So, see you guys later sa pagkuha ng Octopus card. B. Say hi.
Hi. So, medyo busy lang tayo mag-post ng for small business.
Alright. So, ngayon, pupunta tayo ng immigration dito sa Hong Kong. I think magte-train tayo dito sa Hong Kong going to the immigration. Susunod lang tayo sa mga tao. So I noticed meron naman mga signage dito. So sundan nyo lang. Ayan, nakalagay immigration. That's where we're going. So let's go. And that's the train. Sasakay natin going to immigration. Saan tayo? Tayo lang. Ayaw sa dulo. Ay, sige din. Right here.
请勿靠近车门并请严格紧握扶手。
Maybe going to immigration. Sumusunod lang kami sa mga tao.
Hiram na ako sa tabi.
Saan na?
Here and there.
Visitors.
Pwede.
So sa right side. Okay. Where?
Visitors.
Visitors. Okay. Pwede rin daw dito. Oo nga, doon na lang tayo. Alright, so dyan kami nag-withdraw. Ayan, sa HSBC. And then pupunta na kami sa counter ng Octopus card kasi cash lang daw pwede. So yung... Hi Mikey. Hi baby. Yung Octopus card dito will show you guys kung saan. So medyo malaki yung airport ng Hong Kong. Tapos yung mga... Ha?
And malamig.
Yeah, malamig siya. May mga restaurants na rin dito, so if you wanna eat here, pwede naman. So punta lang kayo dito.
Hong Kong is our fourth country together since we got married.
Yes sir.
So, we're happy. We're here to take a break from all the work and busy schedule for the past month. So,
yun, we're gonna start December Christmas here in Hong Kong. And we're excited to go to Disneyland. I'm excited for Shane, most especially kasi maganda
First
yung
time ko sa Disneyland.
Maganda yung Disneyland kapag Christmas. Kaya excited na ako makita. So, gutom na kami. Sobrang gutom na. Well, ako. Gutom na ako. So, we'll see you later. Bili lang kami ng octopus card in a bit. Bye.
By the way, yung octopus card, again, cash only lang daw. So that's why we nag-withdraw kami sa HSBC doon sa ATM kanina. And then, eto na yung octopus card. So dito, ayan, octopus card. So hanapin nyo lang tong counter na to. Going to the bus terminal. So ito pala, we are going to A11, no? Tama ba? A11. Kasi yung hotel namin sa A11 bus daw. So yung hotel na napili namin, by the way, is Wi-Fi Boutique Hotel. Saan yun? Saan yung lugar niya? Wi-Fi
Malapit
Boutique.
siya Wan Chai.
Sa Wan Chai.
Kaya mas malapit siya sa Central.
Kaya, so yun, after purchasing yung octopus card, we're now on our way to the bus terminal papuntang hotel. So kung bus yung gagawin nyo papuntang hotel, meron ganito, bus terminus. Hanapin nyo lang yung kung anong letter kayo. Kami A11, so here, dyan yung papuntang hotel namin. Kasi pupunta kami ng Wan Chai. So
9:50 yung next. In
Yeah.
4 minutes.
So dito kayo titingin ng bus. And then hanapin lang dito A11. So makikita nyo na dito yung mga bus. So hanapin nyo lang yung letter. So dyan kami, A11.
Actually, right now,
I don't know. Let's see. Nasa bus na kami. So dito pala, merong parang double deck yung bus. So pinili namin dito sa taas. And then, yung storage, you can leave it sa baba. Kasi meron na nilagyan ng storage. Yan lang. So I think 40 minutes yung travel time going to Wan Chai. So see you there sa hotel. So guys, nakababa na kami ng bus and we're going to walk going to our hotel, so Wi-Fi Boutique Hotel. So see you there.
nearby Circle K.
So this is our hotel, Wi-Fi Boutique Hotel. So let's go in. Sa second floor yung reception. Had to withdraw kasi meron palang 500 deposits sa hotel namin. So we're here. We're out and about. Pero pabalik na kami sa hotel to check in.
Super daming convenience stores within the area. Kaya maganda. And then, di siya super crowded, I guess. And
Maganda yung maganda naman yung area.
oo,
Mukhang malinis naman. Ang tahimik.
Tsaka parang, tahimik.
There.
Okay, going in.
So yun, ito yung hotel entrance. Sa second floor yung reception. So if you're interested, check nyo lang yung Wi-Fi Boutique Hotel. Okay naman so far. Yep, and so naka-check in na kami. Mabilis lang naman. Yun nga lang, we needed to go down again kasi nga merong 500 Hong Kong dollars na security deposit. So this is the room. Hold on, pakita namin sa inyo. Ayan. Teka lang. Wait. There you go. Oh, it's a cute room.
Ay, pwede naman. Sakto lang. Sakto lang siya.
Oo. So ayan, pagpasok nyo,
Nakita natin sa
eto na yung bedroom. It's nice, it's clean. Maliit lang siya. So, totoong boutique hotel.
Liit. Sakto lang siya for like 2 people.
Oo. Parang mas malaki pa to sa... Ay, kasize ba niya yung sa Japan?
Sa Japan.
Yung sa Japan hotel natin. And then, eto yung restroom.
Alam mo, yun na natin slippers. Hindi natin nadala.
Ito yung restroom niya.
Parang bago renovate yung
That's the mirror. Yung toilet bowl. Walang bidet. Unfortunately, there's no bidet. Ito yung shower area. So, mayroon naman provided the shampoo and shower gel. So, you can use that one. May towels na din. And then may blower. So, I guess, okay naman siya. So far.
May bayad yung may bayad yung water.
May bayad yung water. Yung table, well, yung table medyo, ano na,
Yung bakal
hindi ganun, medyo rusty na. Pero okay lang naman. So yeah, ang ganda ng view. Ito, kita mo yung street. So,
Cute siya.
yeah, it's a boutique hotel, literally. I think dyan yung ano.
Meron sa map na ito yung restaurant.
Hi guys, we went out of our hotel to look for a place to eat kasi hindi pa kami nagdi-dinner. That's why nasa labas ulit kami ngayon.
Parang gusto ko mag-puffer jacket. Kasi
Hindi
yung
naman
mga
malamig eh. Hindi naman masyadong malamig.
Mga locals na kagaling.
Ito.
And I want it. Wow, parang ang sarap.
Malaysian food.
Malaysian.
Hanap pa tayo. Nakalagay Malaysian. So naghanap lang kami ng dinner. I'll get back to you later. What's up guys? So ngayon nagdi-dinner lang kami ni Mikey dito sa... Hindi naman alam kung anong pangalan ng restaurant pero pakita na lang namin yung video later para makita nyo. So ito yung dinner namin.
Ang dinner natin.
I ordered one beef brisket and then noodles and then si Mikey ano order?
Wonton noodle, I think.
Wonton noodle.
And then you, goose.
And then another parang roasted goose noodle. So let's see kung masarap siya. Pero nakalagay ano siya no? Michelin.
Yeah, 2013 Michelin. So,
2013.
meron silang all-day breakfast. They're open until 7 a.m. I wanted to order that, pero $80 siya. So, tsaka pwede naman natin lutuin sa Pilipinas. But, this one parang ilang mga 1 to 2 minute walk from the hotel. So, very nice yung area, I think. Dami kainan.
So yan yung restaurant. Okay naman.
Legit.
Medyo mahirap lang mag-order because of the language barrier. So, medyo nahihirapan silang maintindihan yung mga sinasabi namin ni Mikey.
Sila.
Oo, so, hirap. Pero sana masarap. We'll show you the food later. There's our dinner for tonight. So, beef brisket noodle soup, wonton noodles, and then ano yung order mo isa?
Roasted.
Roasted goose. There you go.
Okay, enjoy.
Thank you so much. Looks good.
This sweet and sour sauce for goose, okay?
Do you mix this one?
Okay, this For this.
Okay. Alright, thank you. So this is where we ate. Hi guys, so ayun, that concludes our first night here in Hong Kong. So again, pagdating ng airport, nag-bus kami going to the hotel. There are, I think, 3 options eh. Either magta-taxi ka, Uber, ay hindi, 4 pala. Taxi, Uber, train, yung Airport Express, or yung yung bus.
Private transfer.
And kung may hotel private transfer kayo. Yeah. So yun sa amin, nag-bus na lang kami. Mas mura. Tapos hindi naman, actually yung napansin ko dito, very, yung transpo nila. Maganda yung transportation nila dito. Very convenient. So hindi naman mahirap. And then nag-dinner kami after that. Sarap nung kinainan namin. We highly recommend na matry niyo siya. Anong pangalan na doon? Basta yan, yung pinakita namin kanina. And then, dumaan kami sa convenience store. Sa Circle K. Tapos bumili lang kami ng mga midnight snacks. And then, bumili ako ng, hindi ko alam kung blind box ba ito eh. Ng Shinchan. Nakita ko meron sila. So, nagfo-focus ba? I don't know if it's focusing, pero Shinchan siya na, figurine, I guess. So, binili ko na lang. So, yun lang. Sa mga upcoming days, pupunta kami sa... Saan ba tayo? Bukas, saan tayo? Sa Peak Tram, sa Wax Museum, and then, of course, Disneyland. And then, yeah, abangan nyo na lang. Upload namin yung mga travels namin dito sa Hong Kong. We're going to stay... By the way, yung travel dates dito, December 1... December 1 up to December 6. So, December 1 ngayon, December 6 kami uuwi. Friday pa yun. So, yeah. Relax lang kami. Papahinga na kami. And thank you for watching. I hope natulungan namin kayo if ever man may plano kayo pumunta ng Hong Kong anytime soon. Hopefully, nakatulong yung vlog namin kanina. And kita-kita tayo ulit tomorrow. Bye-bye. Bye.